Question 1 out of 25. Category: Market leadership. What is AWS's current market share in the global cloud infrastructure market as of Q2 2025? 20%, 25%, 30%, 35%. Correct. 30%. AWS holds 30% of the global cloud infrastructure market in Q2 2025. The market leader ahead of Azure, 20%, and Google Cloud, 13%. Together, these three control over 63% of the market. Question 2 out of 25. Category: AWS fundamentals. When was Amazon Web Services, AWS, first launched as a public cloud service? Options are 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008. Correct. 2006. AWS was launched in 2006, making it the pioneer in cloud computing. It started with services like Amazon S3, cloud storage, and EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, establishing itself as the first mover in the public cloud market. Question 3 out of 25. Category: Service comparison. How many fully featured services does AWS offer compared to its competitors? Options are over 100 services, over 150 services, over 200 services, over 300 services. Correct is over 200 services. AWS offers over 200 fully featured services, making it the cloud provider with the largest service catalog. This extensive portfolio covers computing, storage, databases, AI, ML, IoT, security, and many specialized services. Question 4 out of 25. Category: Market leadership. What percentage of Fortune 100 companies use AWS? Options are over 50%, over 70%, over 80%, over 90%. Correct is over 90%. AWS powers over 90% of Fortune 100 companies and the majority of Fortune 500 businesses. This includes tech companies and traditional enterprises like Apple, Netflix, and McDonald's, demonstrating AWS's widespread enterprise adoption. Question 5 out of 25. Category: Azure comparison. What is Microsoft Azure's primary competitive advantage over AWS? Options are lower pricing across all services, more global data centers, seamless integration with Microsoft products and enterprise tools, better AI capabilities. Correct is seamless integration with Microsoft products and enterprise tools. Azure's primary advantage is its deep integration with Microsoft products like Office 365, Windows Server, Active Directory, Entra ID, and other enterprise tools. This makes Azure the natural choice for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Question 6 out of 25. Category: Service comparison. Which AWS service is equivalent to Azure Virtual Machines and GCP Compute Engine? Options are AWS Lambda, Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, Amazon ECS. Correct is Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is AWS's core compute service, equivalent to Azure Virtual Machines and GCP Compute Engine. EC2 offers the most extensive variety of instance types with different CPU, memory, storage, and networking configurations. 7 out of 25. Category: GCP comparison. What is Google Cloud Platform's, GCP, strongest competitive advantage? Options are largest market share, most services available, AI, ML capabilities, data analytics, and competitive pricing, best hybrid cloud solutions. Correct is AI, ML capabilities, data analytics, and competitive pricing. GCP excels in AI, ML capabilities with TensorFlow, Vertex AI, and world-class data analytics through BigQuery. GCP also offers competitive pricing with automatic sustained use discounts and is built on Google's high-performance global network infrastructure. 8 out of 25. Category: Pricing and cost. What is AWS's primary cost savings mechanism for committed usage? Options are automatic discounts like GCP, pay-per-use only, savings plans and reserved instances, free tier for all services. Correct is savings plans and reserved instances. AWS offers savings plans and reserved instances that provide significant discounts, up to 72%, in exchange for commitment to consistent usage over 1 or 3 years. This differs from GCP's automatic sustained use discounts but offers deeper savings for committed workloads. 9 out of 25, category. AWS fundamentals. What is AWS Lambda used for? Options are virtual machine hosting, database management, serverless computing, running code without managing servers, network security. Correct is serverless computing, running code without managing servers. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. You pay only for the compute time consumed. Lambda is AWS's answer to Azure Functions and Google Cloud Functions. 10 out of 25, category. Storage comparison. Which AWS storage service is comparable to Azure Blob Storage and Google Cloud Storage? Options are Amazon EBS, Amazon S3, Amazon EFS, AWS Storage Gateway. Correct is Amazon S3. Amazon S3, simple storage service, is AWS's object storage service, directly comparable to Azure Blob Storage and Google Cloud Storage. S3 is one of AWS's oldest and most widely used services, offering durability, scalability, and various storage classes for cost optimization. 11 out of 25, category. Database comparison. What is AWS's answer to Azure Cosmos DB's globally distributed database? Options are Amazon RDS, Amazon Aurora, Amazon DynamoDB with global tables, Amazon Redshift. Correct is Amazon DynamoDB with global tables. Amazon DynamoDB with global tables provides multi-region, fully replicated tables for fast local reads and writes globally. This competes with Azure Cosmos DB's global distribution capabilities, though Aurora Global Database also offers similar features for relational workloads. 12 out of 25, category. Market leadership. What was AWS's approximate revenue in 2024? Options are $60 billion, $80 billion, $107 billion, $150 billion. Correct is $107 billion. AWS generated approximately $107.56 billion in revenue in 2024, showing substantial growth from $90 billion in 2023. This massive revenue demonstrates AWS's market dominance and makes it one of Amazon's most profitable segments. 13 out of 25, category. Azure comparison. Which cloud provider is best suited for organizations with heavy Windows Server and .NET application workloads? Options are AWS, Azure, GCP. All are equally suitable. Correct is Azure. Azure is the natural choice for Windows-based workloads due to its native integration with Windows Server, .NET Framework, and Microsoft SQL Server. Azure offers specialized licensing benefits and seamless compatibility that AWS and GCP cannot match for Microsoft-centric environments. 14 out of 25, category. Service comparison. What is the AWS equivalent of Azure's Kubernetes service? AKS, and GCP's Kubernetes Engine, GKE. Options are AWS ECS, AWS Fargate, Amazon EKS, AWS Batch. Correct is Amazon EKS. Amazon EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, is AWS's managed Kubernetes offering, comparable to Azure AKS and Google GKE. While GCP has an advantage as Kubernetes originated from Google, all three providers offer robust managed Kubernetes services. 15 out of 25, category. GCP comparison. Which cloud provider typically offers the most consistent and transparent pricing with automatic discounts? Options are AWS, Azure, GCP. All have identical pricing. Correct is GCP. GCP is known for more transparent and consistent pricing with automatic sustained use discounts that apply without requiring upfront commitments. AWS and Azure typically require active management through reserved instances or savings plans for comparable savings. 16 out of 25, category. AI and machine learning. What is AWS's comprehensive machine learning service that competes with Azure Machine Learning and Google Vertex AI? Options are Amazon Rekognition, Amazon SageMaker, AWS DeepLens. Amazon Comprehend. Correct is Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is AWS's fully managed service for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. It competes directly with Azure Machine Learning and Google Vertex AI, offering end-to-end ML workflows. 17 out of 25. Category: Hybrid Cloud. Which cloud provider offers the strongest hybrid cloud capabilities for running cloud services on premises? Options are AWS with AWS Outposts, Azure with Azure Arc and Azure Stack, GCP with Google Distributed Cloud. All are equally capable. Correct is Azure with Azure Arc and Azure Stack. Azure leads in hybrid cloud with Azure Arc and Azure Stack, offering the most comprehensive solution for extending Azure services to on-premises and edge locations with unified governance. AWS Outposts and GCP's distributed cloud also offer hybrid options, but Azure's Microsoft heritage gives it an edge. 18 out of 25. Category: Data Analytics. Which cloud provider's data warehouse is considered the best for massive-scale SQL analytics? Options are Amazon Redshift, Azure Synapse Analytics, Google BigQuery. All perform identically. Correct is Google BigQuery. Google BigQuery is widely considered the leader for massive-scale SQL analytics due to its serverless architecture, blazing fast performance on large datasets, and separation of storage and compute. While Redshift and Synapse are powerful, BigQuery's architecture gives it an advantage for big data analytics. 19 out of 25. Category: Global Infrastructure. How many geographic regions does AWS operate compared to its competitors? Options are AWS has fewer regions than Azure and GCP. All three have the same number of regions. AWS has the most regions globally. Azure has significantly more regions. Correct is AWS has the most regions globally. AWS operates in more geographic regions than any other cloud provider, with dozens of regions and availability zones worldwide. This extensive global infrastructure provides lower latency and better compliance options for customers in more locations. 20 out of 25. Category: Market Leadership. What percentage of AWS customers spend less than $1,000 per month on AWS services? Options are 52%, 72%, 82%, 92%. Correct is 92%. 92% of AWS customers spend less than $1,000 per month, demonstrating AWS's accessibility to startups, small businesses, and developers, not just large enterprises. This broad customer base from small to large organizations contributes to AWS's market dominance. 21 out of 25. Category: Pricing and Cost. What is a key cost advantage Azure offers for organizations already using Microsoft licenses? Options are free Azure credits, Azure Hybrid Benefit allowing license reuse, no data transfer fees, unlimited free tier. Correct is Azure Hybrid Benefit allowing license reuse. Azure Hybrid Benefit allows organizations to use their existing on-premises Windows Server and SQL Server licenses on Azure, providing significant cost savings, up to 40 to 80%. This unique advantage leverages existing Microsoft investments and is not available on AWS or GCP. 22 out of 25. Category: Service Comparison. What is the AWS service for data warehousing, competing with Azure Synapse and BigQuery? Options are Amazon Aurora, Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, Amazon RDS. Correct is Amazon Redshift. Amazon Redshift is AWS's fully managed data warehouse service designed for large-scale analytics. It competes with Azure Synapse Analytics and Google BigQuery, offering columnar storage, massively parallel processing, and integration with the broader AWS analytics ecosystem. 23 out of 25. Category: Security and Compliance. Which cloud provider is often considered to have the most extensive compliance certifications globally? Options are Azure, AWS, GCP. All have identical certifications. Correct is AWS. AWS offers the most extensive range of compliance certifications globally, covering virtually every industry and geographic region. This includes certifications for healthcare, HIPAA, finance, PCI DSS, government, FedRAMP, and international standards across 190 countries. 24 out of 25, category, innovation and AI. What is AWS's approach to competing with Azure and GCP in the AI, generative AI space in 2025? Options are: AWS is not investing in AI, AWS invested $100 billion plus in AI infrastructure and partnered with Anthropic, AWS only offers basic AI services, AWS is focusing solely on traditional cloud services. Correct is, AWS invested $100 billion plus in AI infrastructure and partnered with Anthropic. AWS is aggressively investing over $100 billion in AI infrastructure in 2025 and made a major $4 billion investment in Anthropic. AWS also developed custom AI chips, Trainium, Inferentia, and offers Amazon Bedrock for generative AI, competing directly with Azure OpenAI and Google's AI offerings. 25 out of 25, category, choosing the right cloud. When should an organization choose AWS over Azure or GCP? Options are: only for Windows workloads, when they need the broadest service selection, proven reliability, and global reach, only for small startups, when they want the cheapest option. Correct is, when they need the broadest service selection, proven reliability, and global reach, organizations should choose AWS when they need the most mature platform, broadest service selection, 200 plus services, proven reliability, largest global infrastructure, and extensive ecosystem. AWS is ideal when flexibility and avoiding vendor lock-in to Microsoft, Google ecosystems is important.